Hello dear my students, let's start our online computer class. So now open your computer book Cyber Hub Standard 5 page number 13. So today we will start application software. These software are designed by programmers to perform specific tasks such as decorating the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized way, and making airline or railway reservation systems. The application software is divided into two categories. One is general purpose application software and another one is special purpose application software. Let's we know about general purpose application software. These are the types of software that perform various tasks for common needs of users. Some examples of general purpose application software are given below. Word processing software. It is an application software. We use a word processor for creating attractive and flawless documents quickly and efficiently. So with the help of word processing software, we can create an attractive and flawless document. Flawless means without any defects or perfect documents quickly, easily and efficiently. This software offers various features to change the appearance of the text in any way you choose. So this word processing software offers various options or features to change your document or your text or your files. You can add, delete, rearrange or decorate your text and even produce a hard copy of the document. So with the help of word processing software you can add, you can delete or rearrange or decorate your document or your text and even you produce a hard copy of the document also. Some examples of word processor are Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org Writer, etc. These are some examples of word processing software. Next, electronic spreadsheet. It is also an software application software. You can use a spreadsheet program to do calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze it in an easy manner. So electronic spreadsheet is used for doing calculations and we can display the data in the form of chart or we can see the data in the form of table and it is easy for calculation. You can also create documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its application fields include accounting, cost analysis, interest calculation, etc. So VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. Dear my students, you have to remember this point. VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. Some examples of spreadsheet are Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. These are some examples of electronic spreadsheet. So with the help of electronic spreadsheet, we can calculate or we can solve any mathematical problems. Okay. So dear my students, today your homework is you will read this application software up to electronic spreadsheet 3 times. Okay. Thank you my dear students.